deliciousVB with another tutorial. I haven't done tutorials for like 3 or 4 days or 5 days or something. But I just didn't get to it. I have this huge test to study for. Anyway, so today I will be giving you another tutorial, and this tutorial is on how to list all the folders and files from a selected folder. And this is pretty easy. So all you want to do is first you want to create a new form and call it something like, well, I'm going to call it YouTube tut list files, even though we're going to be listing folders too. So basically you need to wait for it to load. My computer often fails. Luckily hasn't failed yet when I'm recording, so that's good. Please load. Please. Okay, it's taking a while. Hope it doesn't fail. Okay, here it comes. Good. Let's resize the form a little bit and go to form properties. Go to the form 1 properties over here in this properties section and go down to text, and you want to change list files in. Okay. Now, all you want to do is create a list box. And let's go over to doc and say fill. And create a little button. I need to know my alphabet. And dock it at the top. Dock. Top. And bring this to front. So it's not, the button 1 doesn't cover it. It's not covered by button 1. And change button 1's text to browse. And double click on browse. Wait for it to load, and here it goes. So say dim FD as new folder browser dialog, fd.show dialog, and then say listbox 1 items add range. Now if you just use add, it'll fail because it's converting an array, which is basically a list of files, or an array is just a list, but in this case a list of files. It's converting a list into a string, because add, basically what add does is this adds one item. Add range adds an array or a list, whatever, bunch of items. So if you just click add, it'll fail because add range is the list, the items as an object. If you just do add, you see here, it'll say item as object, which you could actually make it a string, but it's basically the text. So let's just use add range, and io.directory.get files, get directories. Let's get directories first. list box 3 1 dot. fd dot path, selected path, and I forgot that. Okay, list box 1 dot items dot add range. So now we're listing the files, and you actually, I think you can put it in one sentence. Files fd dot selected path. I think actually you can indeed say and then list and io.directory.get files. So this gets directories, which are folders, and files, which are files. And so it lists everything, and me.text equals me.text and fd.selected path. So you'll see how this works beautifully. So let's start up the program. And let's click browse. Now don't click this X button because I think it caused an error. Anyway, so let's go somewhere. My documents. Okay. Okay, so click OK, and it'll list all the files and the folders. Now, hold on, let me see. I'm trying to find a folder in here. It looks like, oh, here they are. They're folders. Now, this is basically the first step of creating a folder browser. File browser. But yeah, it's really complicated, and also if you see like in Windows File Explorer, it doesn't say C users, username, documents. It doesn't say that. It actually just says the name of the file. And there are a lot of other features that this obviously doesn't include. Also, this says list files in here. Oops, what was that? Okay, so that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.